Hey guys, Mur-Lock 68 back, just following up with you guys on the 3-inch or 76mm shackle lockout tagout that I told you was a rare find for me. It's my first slider lock anyway, but to find a Loto lock like this, I had to give it a try. So I'm following up with you guys on the gut. So I showed you guys that it is a removable core. You got the plastic housing that the core slides in, and then you slide it back inside, and it has 2 ball bearings, and it has the screw down the shackle to tighten the core. Now when I looked closely at the core, at the rear there is a spring-loaded retainer clip on the inside that needs to be depressed so you can pull out the core. And I'm just trying to see if I can do this without destroying the lock. Okay, so I've got to keep an eye on okay, so here is the clip that holds this core in place. There's your sliders, so you got 2 rows, opposing rows. Of 4 sliders apiece. So I just wanted to follow up with you guys and show you that it can be gutted. And like I said, that's a first for me to even see something like this. So now I guess that clip there, when you start to slide it back into the housing, you got to press down on it just to get it started. It's like a detent, and once you get it to the back, it's now clicked back into place. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there it is right there. So that has to be depressed for you to take this core apart. So, very interesting lock. I'm glad to have it, and I'm definitely going to try to get a few more of these and work on them and try to get a little better. I'm glad this is my first slider. So that's it, guys. There's the Loto lock. 8 sliders, SPP'd and gutted. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.